Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back to another grocery haul video. We missed you guys. I hope you guys missed us too. So we went to Aldi's today. You know, Mama had to go shopping today. This one right here doesn't know how to shop all the time, okay? You know, Mama gotta show them how to do it right now, you know? Welcome to our new subscribers. Hello to everyone. So we're gonna go ahead and get this grocery haul started. Spent about $56 for our family of 6, and we got some good stuff, okay? So let's go ahead and start right here because they looking right at me, looking so good. We got these smoked salmon sushi rolls, and this is gonna be for tomorrow for the Super Bowl game day. And y'all know I love a good deal, so I caught all the good deals at Aldi's today. This was $2.50. Can y'all believe that? $2.50. All you have to do is just...
You know about $2 sushi.
Boy, it's okay. We're going to make it work. So you just throw it out, and then it's going to be ready to go. We have some steakums for Dad. Y'all know he loves his beef. So these was $2.50, half off. He couldn't believe it. So, hey. We got some baked beans. You know you cannot have a large family without a can of baked beans in the house. So it's not cookout season, but it's always still good to have a can of baked beans in the house. Cannot go to the grocery store without picking up your staple items to cook with. So I needed some more garlic powder. I ran out of that. Poured up bananas. That's a staple in the house. I need them bananas. This is something, I've never seen this before. I'm not sure if Daddy had this before, but some Cracker Barrel marbled sharp cheese. You had that before? Some Monterey Jack cheese. And mozzarella cheese. Some butter, margarine, as Daddy would say. Y'all know I had to get the whole milk for Porter. I bought some sandwich meat for the kids. You know, something for the week. They want to make lunch for school. They got these fajitas wraps. Trying to make some room as I talk, y'all. Y'all know I love giving out the deal of the day. So this was one of the good deals as well. This bone-in pork, Louisiana style spare ribs. They were $7.82 a pack. So that was a good one. We got some green beans. You know you got to keep your vegetables on hand. Sweet corn. Sweet corn. I love to pick up the meat sauce. So when we making our spaghetti or, you know, something that calls for tomato sauce, I like the meat flavor. That and the Italian sausage, but they didn't have any of the Italian sausage, so I got 2 of the meat flavors. I know y'all probably wondering what I'm going to do with that, but I'm not making regular spaghetti. We're going to make some chicken parmesan, and this is the only time that I buy this pack of chicken breast, which was $7.31, which was a good deal. So we don't eat our chicken breast this thick or this whole. So what I'll do is I'll buy this pack of chicken breast and then cut it in thin slices or dice it up, you know, depending on what type of dish that I'm making. So we're gonna take this and make some chicken parmesan, and then we're gonna use the spaghetti sauce to go with that, and I'm gonna top the chicken in with the parmesan cheese. Those are the dinner meats for the week. We like this yellow rice here. It already has the seasoning in it. All you do is just put it in the pan, put some water in it, and you're good to go. So I picked up 2 bags of those. The kids love yogurt. I picked up 6 of these. So this is the strawberry, peach, strawberry, peach. That's the only 2 flavors I picked up. Moving on to some breakfast. We have some pork sausage. I'm gonna go ahead and use that in the morning. Gonna make some pancakes. This is some ham, some hickory smoked ham. This is a 1 pound bag of ham. So that was a good deal for about $2, almost $3 a bag. oatmeal for porter in the morning during the week. Yep, this yours. So some oatmeal, just go ahead and put it in the microwave, put some water in it, you know, cook it on the stove, however you want to do it. Grape juice. So you know we got to keep the french fries in the house, y'all. That's another staple for us, having kids in the house. They can just easily throw it in the oven. Now, what I consider the deal of the day, these buffalo style chicken bites. And these was $2 a bag. Okay? $2 a bag for a 26-ounce bag. So I hope they're good. I hope they're not too bready. You know, it's say with actual white chicken. So normally this bag is almost $4. So I picked up 2 of those. I picked up 2 of these. And tomorrow is the Super Bowl. So they can have one of these bags today for lunch. And probably a bag for tomorrow. However they want to do it. Some snacks for the game tomorrow. Some salsa. This is the noodles that we're going to use for our chicken parmesan. Some thin spaghetti noodles. We have some hickory and brown sugar barbecue sauce to go with those ribs. Syrup. Some movie theater butter popcorn. So this is another snack they can have in the house. I'm quite sure this is not going to last too long, but hey, they haven't had popcorn in a while, so I thought they would, you know, want to have something different. London asking, can they have a movie night tonight? So if they want to do that, that'll be fun. Picked up some vegetable oil. Vegetable oil. Swan is always asking for some cereal. This is the, you know, the cereal monster's request. So I just picked up these frosted mini wheats. Y'all know cereal these days is expensive at the store. One of their snack favorites is some honey buns. Yes, Kate. Okay. One of their snack favorites is honey buns. It's about 6 to come in a box. I can only eat these if I put them in the microwave. I cannot just eat these straight out the pack. Porter and her applesauce. This is unsweetened applesauce, but you can just add some cinnamon, you know, spice it up for them, make them want to eat the applesauce. Some bread. So I picked up some chips to go with the salsa. This was the same bag of chips that we used for our nachos. They came out so good. So if y'all haven't seen that nacho video, go ahead and check that out. It's perfect for the Super Bowl if you need some good ideas. Okay. Order, go get that. Go get that. My bowl. Another staple in the house is some grape jelly. So we love strawberry jelly, grape jelly. No, it really doesn't matter, but we just have to have some jelly on hand. Some biscuits. This is another Sunday morning breakfast or weekday favorite. Some flaky biscuits. Just pop them in the oven. Eat them with some breakfast sausage, some eggs, some grits, you know. Some regular toilet paper, something for the house, some shampoo. Cannot wait to Porter get out of this diaper stage, so we had to get her some diapers. You know, it's time for her to get on that potty, but sooner than later it's going to be time for her to be in some pull-ups. Hi. Alright, y'all, so that wrapped up the grocery haul video for today, and I did one of the worst things imaginable before going into the grocery store, which was shopping on an empty stomach. And y'all know if you go in the grocery shop, that's the worst thing you can do, because when you get home, you have stuff everywhere. You don't know what you bought, what you're going to eat it with. So don't go into the store hungry like I did today. But we had to get it done. I had to come home, feed the family. I'm about to eat. Daddy's about to eat. The kids about to eat. We're going to go ahead and put these groceries away. And we're going to see y'all back again for our next grocery haul. So make sure y'all turn y'all notifications on and stay tuned for the next Rolling with the Pham events. Yay!
Bye.
See you later.
Bye.